All right, so let me show you what I got here. You can probably hear it. It snaps back just fine, but it's real sticky and it's hard to be smooth. And I ride in a Patriot Guard in groups, so you got to have very, very subtle adjustments on your throttle, and you can't do that with this. So I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to clean it back here where the sensors are. And I watched a video, so I'm an expert now. All right, let me start looking for tools here. All right, you got to depress your brake and slide a little piece of cardboard in there so it doesn't close. And the reason is there's a little sensor in here with a pin, and you don't want to dislodge that. The T25 here, T25 here. Let me get them undone and show you in a minute. 3/16 hex head, or Allen key is what I call it. And that's just enough to slide this off. There's the culprit. So what I'm gonna do is spray some contact cleaner in there, blow it out, and spray some dry lube in there. And here's the dry lube I have. Let me sit for a second. Oh, my back is killing me. All right, this is dry lube, and this leaves like a Teflon PTFE. It leaves a Teflon coating in there. And they say not to lube this, but you know, it's a dry lube, and part of the process is blowing all the crap out of there. So I'm gonna crank my air compressor up, and then I'm gonna spray that with some carb cleaner. Safe on converters. What did it say about plastic? Caution. Removes paint. Well, I got nothing to lose. I mean, if I have to replace it, I'll replace it, but we'll see. So let me get my air compressor cranked up, because I'm gonna clean it with this and then blow it out with my air hose, clean it a couple of times, and then hit it with some dry lube, and we'll see if that works. I mean, I've never done this before. Okay, I'm gonna do this one more time, clean it. I haven't put the lube in, but look, it's already smooth. Smoother, not quite good enough. I'm gonna clean it out one more time, blow it out, let it dry, then I'm gonna put that dry lube in there. We'll be back. That fixed it. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a little bit of dry lube on this and on the face of this, and look in here and make sure that's all cleaned out. I'm gonna clean that up real good. All right, went ahead and took the bolts out and set that down there. It'll be okay. Putting it back, I'm gonna put one more squirt of dry lube in here and then put it back together. Okay, I just wanted to show you the pin they're talking about being careful about. Right there. I guess that's why you pull that brake lever in, or do what I did, just take the thing off. But that breaks real easy, apparently. Alrighty, starting to put it back together now. I'll tell you what, that was too easy not to do. All right, tomorrow we ride. One final word of caution. That cleaner, that stuff will eat paint. So make sure you cover everything off. I've had a whole bunch of rags covering up everything. And then when you spray it in there, kind of protect it with a rag so it doesn't get sprayed everywhere. Just be careful when you're using it. Cover everything up that you don't want to get that stuff on, because it will sure enough eat your paint. Have a good one.